You feeling at home, Tanner? Yeah? Yeah, you're feeling alright, huh? Jenga. Jenga. Hello, Gizzy. How are you feeling about the guest? Not crazy about it, huh? Gizzy. Giz, giz. Hey, pretty baby. Hey. Oh, why are you so jealous? No, no, you can't have the ice cream. Stop that. Tanner Banana. Hey, Tanner. What are you doing? Huh? What's going on? What's going on? Gizzy, what are you doing?